They say what you plant with love can still be destroyed by hate. But sometimes, karma grows its own roots. In a quiet village wrapped in dust and silence, lived a poor farmer named Arun. He owned nothing but a patch of dry land, a rusty shovel, and an unshakable hope. Every day he woke before sunrise, digging the hard earth with blistered hands. Villagers mocked him. "Nothing grows here, old man. You're just playing in dirt." But Arun never replied. He only smiled and kept digging. One day, his shovel hit something solid. He knelt down and uncovered an old clay pot, cracked, dusty, and glowing faintly gold in the light. His heart pounded. Was it treasure? Relic? He opened the pot slowly, but instead of gold or jewels, he found a single sapling, no bigger than his finger, with deep green leaves curling toward the sky. He didn't question it. He planted the sapling near his hut, watered it with what little he had, and watched. Days passed. The sapling grew fast, too fast. Within a week it became a towering mango tree, bursting with fruit that shimmered like gold in the sun. Word spread. Villagers gasped. Some stared. Some grew jealous. But none more than Maya, his neighbor. Maya had once owned the largest orchard in the village, until a storm took it all. Since then, she hated the sight of happiness, especially Aaron's. One night, as the village slept under a quiet moon, Maya crept toward the tree, and holding a torch. Her eyes burned with envy. Her hands trembled. She lit the trunk. Flames rose high. The tree crackled, cried. The golden fruit turned black in the firelight. By morning, it was gone, just ash and a stump. Arun stood frozen. He didn't scream, didn't curse. He simply knelt and touched the blackened earth. He whispered, "Thank you for growing, even if only for a while." The villagers watched, some with guilt, some with grief. Maya stood at a distance, hiding behind a wall, her heart racing. But something inside her shifted. Days passed, rain came. And from the blackened stump, a new sprout emerged. Not one, three. 3 saplings, stronger than before, and this time the entire village came together to protect them. Even Maya, in secret, left water near the roots. In time, the trees bore fruit again. Not golden, but sweeter than anything the village had ever tasted. Maya never confessed. But she changed. She smiled more. Helped more? Arun never mentioned the fire. He never needed to. Karma already had. Because even when hatred sets your world on fire, if your heart was pure, something beautiful will rise from the ashes. That, my friend, is how karma answers. If this story moved you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There are more stories like this, waiting to be told, and you won't want to miss what comes next.